we want to retrieve the data of the conversations as having been applied by the Regional Anti-Cybercrime Unit for us to be able to determine and to get to the bottom of the investigation on the alleged exchanges of messages of the mayor of Apari.
Okay, motive, politics,
Politics, sir.
persons of interest.
The one mentioned by the
Sino nga?
CIDG. The mayor of Apari, Cagayan, and his bodyguards.
Bodyguards.
Yes, Your Honor.
Una sa lahat po, nakikiramay ho kami sa may bahay ni Vice Mayor Alameda at sa anim pong kasama po ni Vice Mayor na nasawi nung nangyari po itong insidente. Alam niyo, Chairman, my mother was born, raised, studied in Apari. No? Tubong Apari ho siya. At kaya ho nung nangyari itong insidente ito, nagulat po yung buong mother side ho namin dahil ang alam ko at alam ho ng aming pamilya, tahimik po ang Apari. No? It's a very quiet. In fact, it's very progressive. Nung pumunta ho ako doon, tuloy-tuloy po ang pag-unlad ng Apari. At on the way na to become a city one day. No? So, but hindi ho unlad ang isang lugar kung hindi ho tahimik. No? Kaya ho kilala ang Apari bilang isang tahimik na lugar. Kaya ho nung nangyari itong insidente ito, marami pong nagulat, kasama na po ako. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa ating chairman at binuksan ho itong pagdinig para po makamit natin ang hustisya doon sa mga nasawi. At alam niyo ho, importante pong malaman ho natin kung sino ho ang may kagagawan ho nito para mabalik ho natin yung sigla, no? At yung tahimik na reputasyon po ng Apari, no? Dahil hanggat ito ay nakabinbin at hindi po nakakamit ang hustisya, buong Apari po ang apektado ho dito. Hindi lang po yung mga pamilyang namatayan, kung hindi buong munisipalidad po ng Apari. Kaya maraming salamat, Chairman. May isa lang akong tanong, no, kung pahintulutan niyo po. At gusto ko itanong ho to sa Nueva Vizcaya PNP, no. Ano po, based on your investigation, Nueva Vizcaya PNP at yung Apari PNP, based on your investigation, ano po yung mga posibleng motibo na nakikita niyo ho? At sino po yung mga posibleng mga taong nasa likod ho nito? Considering, Mr. Chairman, na yung nangyari ho, hindi ho ordinaryo no? 6 po yung namatay, 6 po yung bumaril, hindi ho to yung random na theft or robbery. Ito ho ay talagang pinagplanuhan at mayroong pinagastusan, no? So gusto ko malaman ho, maybe kay General Birong, kung ano po yung nakikita nyong motibo base ho sa investigasyon ninyo at sino ho yung mga grupo na gumawa ho nito, no? Siguro mahirap sabihin kung sino yung mga nasa likod, pero sino yung grupo dahil organized ho itong mga ito Hindi ho pwedeng hindi nating alam na itong mga ito, obviously for hire to, no? Marunong, organized, may pera, alam nila kung ano yung gagawin ho nila. So tingin nyo sino ho itong mga grupong to? Mga ex-military ba? Ex-police ba? Retired na enforcers? Ano po yung inyong initial na investigation? So dalang tanong, motibo at sino itong mga taong gumawa ho nito? No? Anyone from PNP?
Yeah, thank you for that question, Senator Gatchalian. Before General Berong answers the question, we'll give the floor to General Rumbawa because he was the RD during that time. At alam ko na-establish niyo yung motibo at meron kayo mga persons of interest. Kindly answer the question of Senator Gatchalian. You have the floor.
Good morning, Your Honor, sir. When I was the regional director of PRO2, the killing of Mayor Alameda transpired in Barangay Kinakaw, Bagabag, Nueva Vizcaya, which shook the province of Nueva Vizcaya because of the magnitude of the incident. Initially, we conducted investigation. We collected information from other people, and it was reported that one of the motives was politics, and because of the stories relayed to us on the conflict between the Vice Mayor of Apari and the incumbent Mayor of Apari about the filing of cases in the Ombudsman, and some of the issues that transpire between them, and it is the cause of trouble, and each of them had a grudge to each other. So we focus on the conduct of investigation. Just like that is why, Your Honor, we want to retrieve the data of the conversations as having been applied by the Regional Anti-Cybercrime Unit for us to be able to determine and to get to the bottom of the investigation on the alleged exchanges of messages of the Mayor of Apari.
Okay, motive, politics,
Politics, sir.
persons of interest.
The one mentioned by the
Sino nga?
CIDG, the Mayor of Apari, Cagayan, and his bodyguards.
Bodyguards.
Yes, Your Honor. And
Yung-
some other people who are close to him.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for that. General Berong, you want to add?
Your Honor, I assume as our Regional Director, August 5, 2023, my guidance to the SITG is clear to conduct thorough investigation, honest investigation, to bring out the truth and to file appropriate charges against all individuals responsible in this multiple murder case. Now, with regard to the motive, perpetrators, that is what the SITG is trying to exploit now. All leads to connect pieces of evidence to the perpetrator, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you for
And
that.
the members of the SITG and some of my personnel are here to for this body to hear their statements.
Yes,
All for the purpose of.
can this committee be given the assurance, being the current regional director, that this case will be given by your command utmost priority?
Be rest assured, Your Honor, that under my leadership, we will bring out the truth and
So,
give
huwag niyong-
justice to the.
Huwag niyong tulog-tulugan itong
Yes,
kaso
Your
na
Honor.
ito, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Talagang tuloy-tuloy ang investigasyon at file na kayo ng file ang kaso kung meron na kayo ma-develop na kaso. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, yes. Go ahead. Yes.
Just a follow-up question lang, Mr. Chair, to General Birong. Two questions lang, General. Sino yung mga gumawa ho nito? No? Are these, obviously, based on my readings, they're professionals. No? They're not ordinary hitmen. No? They're very organized and well-equipped. Unless I'm wrong. I'm not an expert investigator compared to our chairman who's well known as an expert investigator. But based on your analysis, sino ho itong mga taong gumawa? That's number one. And then number two, I heard, reading through the transcript, it seems to me that si Mr. Abordo is the connection between all of these things. No? And I heard earlier that Mr. Abordo disappeared, nawala. So what's the latest on him? Is he also dead? Or is he in hiding? Or ano po yung inyong investigation tungkol sa kanya?
Yes, but before you answer the question, I'd like to add to the question of to the statement of Senator Gatchalian. Senator Gatchalian, hindi lang sila well-organized, well-funded, well-planned, kundi ang lalakas ng loob talaga itong mga tao na ito. Isipin mo, magsuot ng uniforme ng pulis, magpapulis-pulisan para mag-conduct ng kunyari legitimate checkpoint operation. Ganun ka tapang, kung walang somebody na malakas na nasa likod nito mga tao na ito. Hindi ito. Ganito katapang. Magsuot ng uniforme, mag-checkpoint para pumatay ng tao. 6 na tao pa pinatay. Ang purpose lang patayin doon si Mayor lang Pero para masilence na yung kasamahan ni Mayor na walang kinalaman sa kanilang misyon, pinatay lahat dahil para to silence everyone na wala makapagbigay ng ebidensya.